11, 12, 13.
This is my baby.
Hey, hola amigos, welcome to a new vlog. If you're just tuning in for the first time, my name is Steve Yallo.
I'm the traveling clack.
And we are currently traveling all around Europe with this company called Hostel One. And in this video, we're going to be showing you a little budget backpacker's guide to the city of Madrid.
Madrid.
Right now we are in Madrid, so I just want to give you some advice on how to maximize your time here and get the most out of your trip if you decide to come to Madrid. And what I recommend you do first is the free walking tour. So every single day at 10 a.m. they organize a group tour where you can go out and explore the city of Madrid. They call it the free walking tour. It's not really free, it's tip-based, but we had such an amazing experience. At least I did. Did you enjoy your walking tour?
I hated it.
No, honestly, when it comes to the walking tours, whatever city you're in, I always recommend to do this first. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the local area and also learn a little bit about the history.
Now I understand that on paper, Madrid might not sound like the most exciting place. We don't have the ocean, we don't have a big unfinished church, but what we have got is life, soul, energy, this vibe that runs through it, and it's not always easy to spot.
So right here we have the restaurant called Sobrino de Botín, which is actually the oldest restaurant in the world. Not just Madrid, in the world. It's opened in 1725. That means it's nearly 300 years old. Crazy. And it's still open. So if you want to go there, you do have to make a reservation. So if you come to Madrid and you decide you want to go to this restaurant, book as early as possible, because since it's very famous, it does fill up quick. One pretty interesting thing we just learned is right outside of restaurants that are over 100 years old, there are plaques on the ground. So you can tell that it's a good restaurant. If they've been open for 100 years, chances are they're doing something right. Ladies and gentlemen, we just finished our amazing tour here in Madrid. One quick note, this is Lexi. This is the best tour guide I've ever experienced. So if people come to Madrid, how can they find you? Can they personally request to have a tour with you?
Lexi Hadfield, tour guide on Facebook. Whiz me a message. I'll be all yours.
There we go. Thank you so much,
No
Lexi.
worries. Thanks for coming along.
That was amazing. After our tour, we came to a place called Tigre to get some tapas. And how it works here is you don't order any food, you just order beer, and the food comes free. Bite-sized food for everyone to share. And it's like the most common way to eat here in Spain, and I love it. It's my favorite. How's that wing? It's good? So now that we're on the topic of food, let's hop on over to El Mercado de San Miguel, which in my opinion is one of the nicest food markets in the world. All right, here we are inside the market. It's very busy, very loud, lots of people, lots of flavors, so many smells. It just smells delicious in here. And since we're trying to stick to a budget, you know, we're on that backpacking lifestyle, our challenge today is to come to this market and find a full meal for under 10 euro. So let's see what we can find. So for our first dish today, I spent €2.50 and I have some tapas right here. The first one is codfish with mustard. The second one is octopus with some paprika. These look delicious. Let's give it a little try.
That crunch.
That mustard is so good. And the codfish, it doesn't have a very particularly fishy flavor. I'm so hungry, this is so delicious. Let's give this one a try. So good, so good.
What was that one?
This is octopus with some paprika on it and just made with love. We decided to come outside here because it's a little hectic in there. And now, I'm gonna enjoy this, go back in for round 2. Ooh, all right, target acquired. I think we found our next dish. Right here, they have these little things that are called bao. I don't think they're Spanish. I think this is actually like Japanese. But anyway, they look delicious, so we're gonna try some. And then right over here, there's also some wraps, some sandwiches. Oh, that looks so fresh. Let's give it a try. We got some bao. I got a chicken bao. Oh, just look at the colors on that, it's so beautiful. And I also got, I have a salmon wrap. This food looks so fresh.
That sounds good.
Oh yeah. Each of these were €350, so that brings my total up to €8.50. €2.50. Each of these were €3.50. Which leaves me room to get one more item after this. That costs €1.50. But oh man, this looks so good. Let's try it. Ooh, I'm not even sure exactly what's in here. I know there's salmon. That's about it. Let's give it a try. Right in that mouth hole. That is so good. Oh, wow. I don't know what kind of sauce is in here, but it makes me so happy.
Oh boy, baby girl.
I think that's some type of mayo or something. I don't know. It's making me happy though. But wait, there's more. So this is Tal's. What'd you get? What is this?
Hamburger.
Oh, it's a hamburger.
Yeah, hamburger.
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 The hamburguesa. Okay, and this is mine right here. This is a pollo bao, a chicken bao. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, dude.
That bread is so fluffy. It's so fresh. And that sauce, it's kind of like a chipotle mayo. Yeah, I like it. Right now, so far total, I spent $8.50. So that means I have another €1.50 to go find something else. All right, for our last food item here, I have a croqueta, and this is a fried breadcrumb roll. And this is a croqueta de jamón, which is ham. So inside, I'll show you it. Oh man.
Look at that croquette.
Nice and warm, so fresh. Got that ham flavor in there, and this only cost €1. So that brings my total up to $9.50. So I did it. And this is gonna fill me up. I'm good. All right, that concludes our little food tour here at Mercado de San Miguel. See you somewhere else. So another great activity that is completely free, that is very fun, is to come to any plaza. There are plazas all over the city of Madrid, and just people watch. Right now, there's a freaking huge panda over here. There's so many things happening. This is so funny. We're just gonna sit here for like 20 minutes and just watch people walk by and interact with this panda. So as I mentioned, here at Hostel One, they organize a bunch of different group activities and trips. There's the board right here, the weekly plan, and every day there's a new thing. And every night they actually offer a dinner for free. They make a big family dinner, which is great for people to sit down and get to know each other. But today, we're not eating dinner here. We're actually going on a picnic. We have the staff whipping up some sandwiches back here. Got some fresh sandwiches, jamón y queso, y tomate, y lechuga. So this park where we're having a picnic and seeing sunset has an ancient temple called the Temple of Debod. And this was actually a gift to Spain from Egypt. How cool is that? Cheers. Salud. Boom, boom, boom. We made it to the park and we have some sandwiches.
I got no connection to Hialeah.
This is so cool. Beautiful place. So all of these people are staying in Hostel One. But this girl right here, this is a special little friend of mine. Let me hop on over here and introduce. This is Jess. Say hi, Jess.
Hi, how are you?
I know Jess back in Orlando. We worked a job together and she actually trained me. She was my leader.
I did.
For one of the best jobs I've ever had in my
The best
life.
ever.
You want to explain that job real quick?
my God.
A brief explanation of what we did?
A brief explanation. Okay. Do I include the brainwashing? Do I take that out? Do I take that out?
It was a
Marketing sales job, right?
Direct sales.
So, direct sales. So we had to go up to people in Sam's Club,
Yeah.
Costco's.
If you don't know what that is, just like wholesale clubs.
Wholesale clubs. So we had to go up to them and say, like, excuse me, hey, like, check this out for 10 seconds. Pretty much just to sucker them into listening to us for about a minute or two.
So basically our job was trying to sell things to people who didn't want these things.
They didn't want it at all.
It was a great learning experience, and now it made me appreciate things, you know? It made me appreciate what I'm doing now. I look back on that, and it gives me a deeper appreciation for what I'm doing now.
It taught us to just go up to people and not be scared and just strike up a conversation.
Confidence. That's definitely a confidence striker, but yeah, now she lives here in Madrid. Crazy. So
And now he's visiting me.
Yeah.
So happy.
I wonder where the best spot to see the sunset is. Maybe with these
I don't think
100
it's
people.
back there, Steve. Probably not the right place to go.
Oh yeah, this is the spot. We found it. We're in here. Don't want to block anyone's cameras. Oops, we're going in. Look at that sunset. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's so cool. The sun officially just set and everyone's cheering. Woo! Uh-oh, we got a little Hostel One soccer match going down right now. Or football, I'm sorry.
To the other side, the other side.
But he didn't spill a beer. Good job. You work at Hostel One, right?
Yeah, I do indeed.
What's your name?
Tashi.
Tashi. How long have you been working here?
Only 2 weeks.
2 weeks. What do you think so far?
Fucking love it, mate. Fucking love it.
What made you decide to work at a hostel?
I went to one.
You went to one.
And realized
You?
it was the best place to be in the
me.
world.
Yeah, Hostel One, that's it. They got the vibe.
But show what the Hostel One hired you.
Show?
Your abilities.
Oh, what is, you have abilities?
Yeah, she can do a lot of things.
This is a stitch up.
Oh,
Come on!
On the spot right now. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
What is gonna happen right now? Yeah, I'm ready. Whoa! All right, with the skirt on and everything.
That's why I got hired.
She doesn't know how to cook, she doesn't know Spanish, she doesn't know anything, but she can do that.
I never had a conversation with a person before in my life.
That's amazing.
Process done.
That's cool. So another really popular thing to experience in Madrid is the nightlife. And with Hostel One, they organize it to make sure you have a really great time. Every night after dinner, they have some drinking games to get the night started. And eventually, we all hit the clubs together as a big group, and it looks a little like this. Hey, so as I mentioned, Hostel One organizes really cool activities every single day. And today they organized a group trip to a nearby city called Toledo, which is about an hour away from Madrid. And this place is rich with history and just so beautiful. And still sticking to that budget backpacker style. It didn't cost much to get out here. The bus round trip was 10 euro, and we had to get on a metro, which round trip was 6 euro. So total cost for today, 16 euro for travel. Not bad, and we get to explore this amazing city. What do you think?
I love it here. I think it's amazing.
So now, we're gonna show you around. Let's go. Toledo, they're very well known for their steel work, like knives, cutlery, or what everyone's looking at right now, these huge swords. It looks so medieval. It's so cool. Honest opinion of this place so far.
¿Te gusta?
Sí.
Toledo?
Sí. Y estuve 4 meses en España.
He's been here for 4 months?
Pero no en Toledo.
No in Toledo. It's his first time here. There you go. That's everything he said is my exact opinion. He's my
I know
spokesperson.
Madrid, Salamanca, Segovia, Lugo, Vigo, El Ferrol.
Toledo es el mejor de su ciudad.
Precioso.
¿Sí?
Sí.
There you go.
Y Segovia también. Sí.
It's better than Segovia.
Como te digo, La Coruña, Burgos, Pamplona, Barcelona, Sevilla, Córdoba. I know. Never in Toledo.
Toledo. There you go.
Boom.
That's
Gracias.
also my dad.
¿En qué periódico? What journalist?
He paid my child support and my college
En la-
tuition.
He said, journalist.
He said you are his dad.
Tú eres mi papá.
Me van a pegar en la casa.
All right, ready? Let's take a photo. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13. This is my baby. in Chile we say mi guagua.
Oh, I'm guagua now.
Alright, we just finished our tour here in Toledo. That was really cool. And I only showed you a little bit. If you want to see more, Paul's actually going to be making a full video just from here in Toledo.
I've been filming all day. Take a hop and escape over to my channel to watch it if you want.
Yeah. Alright, let's get back to Madrid. Oh, man. So we're almost at the end of this video. I just want to thank you for watching. I hope this provided a little bit of an insight as to how you can experience Madrid on a backpacker style budget. It does not have to be expensive. You can still have a great time and not break the bank. The people we've met, the places we went, thank you to Hostel One for organizing all of these activities. What did you think about Madrid, Tom?
Oh man, I had a blast here. Hostel One, the whole experience of being with them made it so much more fun because we got a good friend group out of it that we got to hang out with most of the time we were here, and it was a blast.
So if you are coming to Madrid and you want to stay at Hostel One, we have a little discount code for you so you can save some money. When you book a hostel with Hostel One, no matter what location it is, use the code YALLOWCLAT for a special discount. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. It helps. And also subscribe to my channel, Tal's channel. He's been making videos as well, so go check it out. And that's it. We'll see you next time in the city of Seville. Peace.